Hi Flint Kids. I'm going to show you how to prepare the carrots for your roasted carrot and honey take-home recipe coming this week. You will need a cutting board, your carrots, a peeler, and a knife. To prepare your carrot, you'll start by giving it a wash in cold water. Then we'll peel it, holding the carrot by one end, using your vegetable peeler to apply light pressure and scrape in an upward or downward stroke, whichever direction feels right in your hand. Next, we'll trim the ends. Then, turn it sideways to cut in half. Take one half of the carrot, holding it firmly on the cutting board with your hand above it. Place the blade in between your fingers and slice it in half. Then, turn the carrot to the flat surface and cut the carrot again, creating quarters. Next, we'll take each piece and cut it into bite-sized pieces.